If you're looking to do a BA in journalism and mass communication, here are the reasons why you should only do it from the Times School of Media at Bennett University.
The Journalism and Mass Communication program of the Times School of Media is a very practical-based curriculum with less rote learning and more hands-on experience.
The entire curriculum has been devised by Times Group companies. At least 7 of the Times Group companies have been involved in looking at a practical-oriented curriculum for the students.
The curriculum aims to provide the students with professional skills that are required in the media industry right now. We have multiple specializations ranging from print to television to radio to digital, and now we are also offering films.
So students go through things like bringing out a newspaper, the Times of Bennett. They work with a TV station, BUTV. They work on a radio project which is called the Sounds of Bennett.
We also help the students or guide the students in making mojo videos. We have several audio-video projects as part of the curriculum. We also bring out BUTV bulletins.
And all of this, they use the same content management system that is used by the Times of India Group.
In terms of infrastructure, as you can see around me, I am sitting in a radio studio which has been built with the help of the Radio Mirchi engineers and sound experts. Similarly, our TV studio has also been built with the help of experts from Times Now. We also have several iMac and Windows labs where the students get to practice their skills, learn the software, and to upload and create and edit content that is required as part of their learning process and training skills.
Our faculty is 70% from the industry and 30% from academics,
who are very approachable, and the students can approach them if they have any problem.
Other than this, we have some excellent international tie-ups. For example, we have a tie-up with the New York Film Academy, NTU, University of Essex, and Stony Brook University. So when they finish, after 3 years, they can get an honors degree with a specialization in any one of these 6 subjects.
My 3 years at the Times School of Media at Bennett University were nothing but a mix of fun projects, learnings, and opportunity to explore what there is. The journalism program at Bennett University is perhaps one of the best in the country because it focuses on holistic development of students with equal parts focus on practical as well as theoretical learning. I will have to give a special mention to all the field trips and the guest lectures from industry experts. I currently work as a digital media journalist at Times Now, an opportunity that came to me through the placement cell of the college. And as I entered into the newsroom, I realized that it was a rather faster learning process for me because 50% of the work was already done in college. So for all the aspiring journalists out there, Bennett University is the perfect place to be.